Okay, here we go. Let's check out what's inside the new and improved version of Nuts About Mutts by Grandpa Beck's Games. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we got the instruction manual, a Grandpa Beck's recipe. So this is an upgrade from the original game when they were just cards to be the bones when you would have to reach for them during the game. But this is an actual bone that you have to reach for, which is really cool. Okay, those are super cool. Let's check out the cards. Here is the inside of the box. You got the dog food containers. Why is it always so hard to open packages of cards? Okay, so here are the cards. So first you've got the back logo, which is a super cool updated version of the logo. And then we've got all of the cards. So we've got some of the power cards with the doghouse. We've got the fleas, fire hydrants, and the bones. Oh no, sorry, these aren't the bones. This is the mutt card. It's when this is drawn that you have to grab one of the bones before the other players. And then we've got a pedigree, and then it looks like, I think that's everything, and then we go into all the cards. So you've got all of the yellow cards, red cards, green cards. Oh, is there just 3? Oh. Yellow, red, and green. Cool. Okay, so briefly, from my understanding of how to play, you're basically trying to place cards down that match either the dog, the color, or the number. And you're trying to get rid of all your cards, and these power-ups can come into the game that can mess things up or help you, whichever way it goes. So to briefly cover it all, here's what you get inside of Nuts About Mutts. You get an awesome instruction manual, or should I say a possum instruction manual. You get one of Grandpa Beck's recipes. You get a little note thing that will show you every single one of Grandpa Beck's games. And then you get all of these cards, these awesome upgrade to the bones. To stay up to date on our future videos, including Grandpa Beck's games, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to check out another video, right down there. Thanks, guys.